Buying AI is like buying a gym membership. You immediately feel productive, but the only place you really lose weight is in your wallet. So far, we've deep dived into the current state of AI. Or should I say states, as what's happening in USA is very different from what's happening in China. We've figured out that there is a massive disconnect between those developing AI software and those who might potentially buy AI from software developers, or use solutions provided by AI-augmented service providers. After all the hype generated by AI, all they've really developed is the world's greatest expectations gap. This is what Wizard of Software has been set up to solve. But how? I've been lucky enough to have gone through this problem 3 times before in the past, every time as the tech revolution reaches a major inflection point. First, there was the personal computer revolution that started it all. 14 years later, we got the internet revolution, and another 14 years after that, we got the mobile revolution. Now we are facing the next major junction in the road, the AI revolution. But right now, AI isn't the revolution advertised. There is some interesting software, but there's next to no consumer demand. It isn't filtering through to the business or consumer markets. There's no demand. Nobody's buying it. Potential customers don't even know what it is they're supposed to be demanding. What is it they're not buying? All they know is that dancing penguin videos on YouTube won't sell any more insurance policies. What's missing from the entire AI industry model is a solidified distribution channel. There's no discovery, no window shopping, no bargain hunting, no price haggling, nothing. It's left up to the potential buyer to educate themselves. And the first thing they discover in education is a major barrier to entry. To use AI, you need to learn to program AI. That's not shopping. In the 1970s, when the PC industry started, the problem was similar. If you wanted to use a PC, you had to learn to program a PC. But over time, an entire distribution channel was built. It started with magazines, like today we have the internet. Then computer stores popped up on street corners and shopping malls. This was the beginning of an entire global ecosystem, an intermediate layer staffed by people who would become experts at integrating personal computing into dozens of different markets: finance, medical, education, security, retail, commerce, and many more. The channel was there. The next inflection point was the internet. The internet didn't need a distribution channel. The internet is a distribution channel. There was nothing much to learn. The internet was plug and play. You plug your PC into the phone system and learn to use a browser. That was followed by the mobile revolution, which was nothing more than a new form factor for access to the internet. Again, there was nothing much to learn to move from a desktop internet to a mobile internet. Then, specially designed small computer programs, apps, started to appear. The expectation gap in mobile was quickly filled when the device manufacturers realized there was a ton of incremental revenue leveraging their captive market through an app store. This filled the distribution gap in mobile. How do we do the same in this new world of artificial intelligence? This is what Wizard of Software was set up to do. That defines the battle space. But, and this is a big but, there is a massive difference between simple little mobile phone apps and complex AI solutions. But, and this is an even bigger but, today AI can write AI. Developing software has never been cheaper, faster, or easier. But turning that software into a business, well, nobody has done that yet.